Discover Avigilon Unity Access 646. The latest release enables you to move identities from one area to another. In the event of a fire drill, all employees that are safe at the muster point can be reassigned to the main area of the facility to make sure everyone is accounted for. You can also manually clear or schedule all identities to be cleared from an area, to reset and prepare for the next day. Using the Notes feature, document exceptions or any other relevant information to an object so all users can be informed and complete their jobs more effectively. A new mobile app interface delivers a smoother user experience and simple navigation between global actions, doors, and identities, allowing you to keep your people and facilities safe anytime, anywhere. Download Avigilon Unity Access 646 today.